Yo, your boy Richie, everything. Y'all know I'm checking in, man. Guess where I'm at? In my good clothes. Yep, in my good clothes. Yep, in my good clothes. Oh, boy. Nah, man. I just had a change of heart on the dash cluster. I still got the Camaro dash and all that. But my boy, Mr. Griffin, 23, gave me a great idea. So I'm grab another cluster because I seen him do something and I kind of like the way it turned out. You know, not really trying to steal nobody's idea, but I kind of love the look to it too. And it might work out in that Chevy dash, being that it's coming out of a Chevy. But with that being said, man, let me turn this camera around and show y'all the little find that I just now walk up on. Ooh, 06 G6. You know how long I've been looking for one of them right there? A minute. Boy, that thing that might get cut out today. And then come around, I come cut the skin out tomorrow. I ain't gonna talk too loud cause too many people probably listening. But you see it, man. That's that one I've been looking for. Before I found that that panoramic. That's what I was looking for right now. But I know we running by 4 o'clock. My partners let me slide through, so we're gonna go back here, man. Again, man, shout out to my boy Mr. Griffin 23 or Mick Griffin 23. I'm kind of bad with names, but he know who I'm talking about, man. I give him a personal shout out once we get the editing and everything, because he put me on game with this one right here. So you know, we gonna grab it up. So y'all see where I'm at. An old Chevy Blazer. This is 89. What he told me about was the 91. So this the dash. Probably looking like, man, that raggedy old thing, man. Well, we're gonna show you how this thing right here work. You know what I'm saying? Hopefully I can get that that little forum for the wiring and all that, man. But let me get this right here out, man, because I'm pushing for time right now. All right. So we got that cluster out right there. Harness right here. So we can make sure we got some wires to play with this time right here. You know what I'm saying? I see another one down there. I really want to go snatch the other one out too. But we're gonna worry about this one right here for right now. And you can see, you can't really see nothing. If I hold it up, let's see. I don't know if y'all can tell, but everything like digital off in there, except this side over here with the check engine lights, but a whole lot of the other stuff like the gauges, speed, a lot of the other stuff in there light up. So we could definitely make that right there work. Definitely make that work. That right there is the cowling to go around that thing, but we ain't too much worried about that. We'll square that thing up so that thing can fit inside that Box Chevy, man. But y'all stay tuned, man. Let me walk around and see where else I can grab. It's already 4:21 now. They close at 5, so I can get these tools back inside this little pouch, and that's gonna be that. My homeboy Caleb over there pulling the transmission at the last minute, so I might have to give him a hand, man. But yeah, tools up for a minute. Cause I got somebody I want to beat out here at the pick and pull right now, man. He talking all this junk. See, now he talking about how I'm working. Don't worry about how I'm working. You do what you got to do, man. Do what you got to do. Oh, Lord. Boy, I tell you, grab my stuff up. Let me grab my stuff up, man. You gonna put them in your bathroom? Grab the cluster and all that. See, this is why I be talking about YouTube. Look at him. Look at him. He on his back, and he's still over here talking junk to me, man.
Hey, man, motherfucker, I'm gonna make $175 in 30 minutes.
Hey, Okay.
30.
So y'all see how we grind. $175 and how many?
30 minutes. Better than any stripper in the world.
Ooh. But see, now he fussing at me because I want to get me another roof.
I just asked
feel what I'm saying?
I just asked if you were going to be putting them in your bathroom.
And he got the saw right there. He can cut the roof out for me. You see what I'm saying, YouTube? That's why me and this guy right here be getting into it, man. You gonna cut the skin out on the roof for me if I pull the glass out today?
You want it?
Huh?
If you want it, you can get it.
I go unbolt the roof and then you just cut the skin out. But I need some extra metal around the edges now.
No, I'll cut the whole top. You do what you want.
You sure? YouTube, y'all hear that now? Cause he be running the views up a little bit. I should kick him while he under the truck, ain't it? I ain't gonna mess with him though. You need some help with that? Oh, you got it? You already got it?
I'll be done in about 10 minutes.
All right. Well, we're gonna walk up here and we're gonna check on this. We're gonna check on this top. Check on this top. Got my other partner down here. He down here getting at it. What you pulling? They be hitting them customers up at the last end of the day, cuz. And the grind don't stop, man. The grind don't stop, man. I'm telling you, my boys be out here working, cuz. And then what make it so bad, like, you know, if I can't show up on some days, man, I give them boys a call. And, you know, just out of love and respect, you know what I'm saying? They'll make sure I get pulled where I got to get pulled. You know what I'm saying? And I pay them just like everybody else would want to get paid for their services. You know what I'm saying? So it is what it is, man. But I'm going to go up here. I'm going to check and see what this top got that need pulling out. And if I can't get it today, yeah, I ain't going to tell y'all where we at because my partner might have to pull that thing out for me early in the morning or whatnot. But, yeah, I'm going to go check it and see what we got to pull out on that top. And then if I can get that, if Caleb will cut it tomorrow, then so be it. If he don't, then I just bring the generator or either my cutter, and then we'll just cut the rest out. But you know I'll look out for you, though. So I'm about to leave my boy right now so he can get that grind, man. Y'all see it, cuz we be out here at Pig-Pool getting it, man. Don't know what y'all be doing. This ain't no junk to us. Caleb, where you at? Ooh. What kind of shift do you got in there? A B&M? Oh!
Looks like a deal though.
Oh, that's a stick shift you pulling out. Y'all got to excuse him out, man. Him out reckless, man. Let me go up here so I can look at this top. And I hope this guy right here be ready to cut my metal out tomorrow.
I got one bolt and I'm done.
All right, I'm going up here to the front right here. So, we're going to the front. I'm going to cut y'all off. I'm going to take this cluster to the front up here. And these two to the front right quick. And we're going to check this top out, see what we got to do to get it out. Got that thing out, boy. Got him out. My boy Caleb over here. He going to cut this top out for me. So, while he getting that metal out, I'm going to go ahead and push this thing here to the front. Get paid for it right quick. And then I'm going to come back and bust him down what I owe him. So, that's it, man. Y'all see it? Whole nother roof coming out. I'm gonna go ahead and get this thing to the front, man. All right. So we got that G6 top. We gotta see if we can get that panty into the back of the Mally. Now, I might have to lay these seats down or something. Thing a little long, man. A little long. We're gonna see what we can do though. My buddy over there cutting the top. Really don't know how we gonna squeeze all that in here. But definitely gonna try to make something work. I'm gonna lay the seats down. See what we can get. So what we might do, I might try and flip it over. We ain't gonna make no difference. I'm gonna just lay it in there, and then we'll try and figure it out once we get this other part out. We'll see how we can do it. If not, I might have to get him to bring it over in the Jeep or just pick it up tomorrow. So Let's go ahead and load this thing right here up right quick. Yo! IG. You see your boy in good clothes, man. Look at that. That boy in Tommy Bahama today. Sweating. Grinding, man. You feel me? Came out here for a little cluster, man. Little digital cluster. You know what I'm saying? I don't want to be like everybody else. I ain't gonna do the whole Camaro swap. I'm gonna do something nasty. I'd much rather do something that ain't nobody else gonna have. But see that in the trunk? That's a G6 top. That's a G6 top, a moonroof. I be working, man. Which one y'all want to see in the Box Chevy? That's what I want to know. Which one do y'all want to see in there? Y'all want to see that BMW or y'all want to see that G6 full slide glass? So, look at here, YouTube. Y'all see I be all over. About to walk in Walmart right now. Pick up some little stuff for dinner tonight. Because you know I play all roles. So I'm going to just pick up some stuff these kids say they want some subs. So we're going to do subs tonight. That's gonna give me a little break, cause I ain't gotta cook. See, I'm still hard down in sweat, man. Just left the pick and pull. But you know I have to give y'all that little outro just like always, man. I'm gonna need y'all to like, subscribe, comment, push the bell for notifications, and follow me on IG at rich_everything with an A. Now, let's boy get some grocery shopping done.